This is a tutorial to show you how to access ebooks and e-audiobooks on MackinVIA. The first thing you're going to do is locate the MackinVIA icon in your iPad. If you don't have it, you can go to the app catalog and download it. So you're going to get to the MackinVIA page here, and you're going to click Sign In. Then you're going to start to type in Barrett, B-A-R-R-E-T-T. And the first one that comes up should be Barrett Elementary, Arlington, Virginia. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to see a blue login button appear. Click the blue login button. You're going to get to this screen, and you're going to click on the Arlington Public Schools with the little cloud icon. You're then going to get to this page, and you're going to enter your username, which is your student ID number, and then your APS password. Then it will load, and you will get to this screen. If you have not opened MackinVIA before, it might ask you to allow notifications, which you can or cannot do. It doesn't really matter. So now I am in MackinVIA, and I decided to type in graphic novels up here in the upper right-hand corner because that's what I was interested. As you can see, a lot of other people are interested in checking out graphic novels because many of these are out. So if you want, you can click it and hit request, and when they get returned, it'll show up on your account. But I'm going to scroll down a little. And now I found Batman's Hero Files, which is available. And I know that because I have two choices. I have Open Now, and I also have Checkout. So I decided to check it out. So now that I've checked it out, you can see that because it says return as an option, and it expires in 13 days and 23 hours here, which means that if I don't return it manually, the system will automatically return it in 14 days. If I click the little icon next to my name and I click Checkouts, it'll show that book, which I've checked out. And if I check out any other books, they will appear here. So I click the book, and then I click Open Now, right there on the right-hand side of the screen. And then here's my book. So I can either read it to myself, I can have it read to me using the little triangle icon there on the bottom left. I can also increase and decrease the text size using the capital A, lowercase a. And then when I'm ready to turn the page, I can use the front arrow or back arrow to go back a page. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click the three bars there in the upper left-hand corner. Let me try to, up there where I'm highlighting. So it's going to bring this menu up, and you can either go to Notebook, which is you can type notes, it'll go to the table of contents for the book, tell you information about the book, you can search within the book, or you can do citations, but since I'm done reading it, I'm going to go up here to this Back to MackinVIA link with the picture of the home, and I'm going to click it, and it brings me back to the home page. So this is a quick and easy, hopefully, overview of how to use MackinVIA. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, greg.daddario@apsva.us.